Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today we're going to take a look in the box and unbox the CalmDo portable masticating juicer PJ801. Now I know this comes in a few different colors from when I saw it online. I do have a much bigger juicer. You might want to check out that review if you're looking for something like that. But this is supposedly a portable one. I don't know how powerful a portable masticating juicer can be. I will say the box is kind of cool. So looking forward to actually getting inside there and looking. It says the features. Let's see what the features are. World's first, smallest portable masticating juicer. 40 RPM, ultra slow masticating and antioxidation. Automatic separation of pulp and juice. I would hope so, it's a juicer. Stylish lipstick appearance design. All right. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery. Silicone anti-skid pad design. Okay, let's see actually what's in the box here. Sells for about $70 or so. A lot of times they'll be running some specials on Amazon. The link is actually below too. If I can get this freaking thing open here. All right, so there's the top of the box. As you can see, the nice red lipstick design. Got some lovely foam, and the product is actually in a nice looking bag here, so that's good, nice and protected, not just thrown in there like some products. Let's see. All right, so it looks a lot like what a magic bullet or one of those type of products would look like. Obviously not the same product or the things that it does, but just an idea of what it actually looks like. So that right there is how it would sit. Yes, there is the anti-skid thing on the bottom there. Looks like that's the juicer part here. Actually has some weight to it. It is pretty nice. Gotta say, pretty nice looking design, and feels pretty well made. So I am really looking forward to this. That's pretty cool. And then you got your pusher for the fruits and vegetables, little power button on top there. Let's see what else. Oh, hey, my favorite, a little bag, a nice little carrying case, so I can put that right in. Whoops, there's the pusher. There it goes. We got that there. Be right back. Hello. So I'll keep that right in the case. That's nice. What else we got here? Ooh, a toothbrush. No, not really. It's actually for cleaning the juicer out. So it comes with the brush, because a lot of times when you use the juicers, stuff gets all over the place, and when you wash it, you're going to want to be able to get into all those different parts and pieces to clear it out. So it comes with that. Pretty nice looking. Don't use that as a real toothbrush. Don't want to do that. Comes with a USB cord to a, looks almost like a little power cord. So it is something specific for this unit. You don't want to lose that. Make sure you keep that together. That's why they give you the bag probably. And it also looks like it comes with, I guess that's another type of O-ring. It feels like a silicone O-ring or something there. What else we got in the box here? Getting started, your warranty card and manual, 1-year warranty from the original date of purchase. It talks about how to get support. You can also get a warranty extension of additional 6 months. Total of 18 months when you create an account with them. So that's pretty cool when you do it within 7 days of receiving your product. You can also get online help. What else we have here? A lucky draw card. You can win something. So it's like a thanks for purchasing, as well as how to use it in a bunch of different languages right there. So you got languages and lucky cards, warranty cards with extension, the USB, and the actual juicer. So that's pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to checking this out. This again is the CalmDo portable masticating juicer PJ801, the red lipstick design again. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check back through when we do the demo and review of this masticating portable juicer, and we're really going to see how it works and performs, and really if you should buy it or not. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.